art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes. And in this video, I'm gonna turn two white basic bandanas into the Halloween bandanas. I'm gonna create designs inspired by Billie Eilish. And if you watched my previous videos, you know that Billie Eilish is one of my biggest sources of inspiration. So I'm gonna create two designs. The first one is gonna be inspired by the music videos When the Party's Over and You Should See Me in a Crown. And the second one is gonna be inspired by the music videos Bad Guy and Bury a Friend. I'm gonna show you step-by-step process so you can follow it and you can create such bandanas for yourself too. And I'm gonna use fabric paints. All the information about fabric paints I use, about painting on clothes, you can find in the videos. I will put links in the description below. So, let's get started! So here is bandana, I folded it and put a cardboard inside, and here are the eyes and my mouth. I wore this bandana first and I marked them. And I'm gonna use black fabric paint, two brushes, small and medium sizes, and some rag to remove excess of water and excess of paint. And here I understood that I shouldn't use any water because paint is kind of a spreading over, because it's a thin cotton fabric. So I decided to use just paint and no water at all. So I'm painting black tears inspired by the music video When the Party's Over. And now I'm gonna use white color paint and small size brush to paint highlights on the tears. And now I'm gonna paint spider, black widow on the mouth, and first I'm drawing it with pencil. And now I'm filling it in with black paint. I'm using grey color to paint light, red color to paint spots on the spider's body, and white color to paint highlights. And now I'm using grey color to paint shadow near the spider to create 3D effect. And I'm splattering black paint near the spider. And now I'm gonna use big flat brush and black paint to paint corner of bandana and to create kind of a ombre effect. And now the second bandana. I'm gonna paint two creepy hands, black hands on it, inspired by the music video Bury a Friend. First I draw hands with pencil. And now I'm filling them in with black paint. And now I'm using white color to paint highlights on these hands. And now again I'm using big flat brush to paint corner of bandana and the space near the hands. And now I'm splattering black paint. And now blood. Blood stains inspired by the music video Bad Guy, blood under the nose. I'm painting it using red color fabric paint. Finishing touches. And painting is finished. Well guys, I don't think that such bandanas are just Halloween accessories. I'm gonna wear them like a scarves on a daily basis, you know, to scare my friends sometimes. And I hope guys this video was useful for you, and I hope you liked these bandanas, and if you did, smash that like button to support my art and to support my channel. And if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more painting on clothes videos. And I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.